Pacho, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pacho, your friend is Adakwa, I'm Kasefi MTN head office.
Oh, okay.
Pacho, now soon.
Me that they call me Michael B name.
Pacho, when you're late, we still win 5,000 Ghana cedis. Pacho, she share a clear one between now, she can say, like, over dial star 170 hash.
Alright.
Pacho, abo. Pacho, I feel not saying. Pacho, what's about almost say, but amount, not for sure. Okay, Pacho, I'm about 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Me about 5,000. Alright, 5,000.
Final saying. Pacho, what's about almost say, but for pin code, be sure no. Pacho, but pin code, not saying.
Just turn around and see where you are.